The sun rises. Say good morning.
Hi all. Today, again, I'm here to talk with you all. I'm quite sure that you are waiting for that because you all want to talk well. Talking English will raise your confidence level. You know that very well. So you are waiting for me to talk. So I'm here. You can talk to me. Yes or no? Yes. Right? Say loudly with confidence. Then only you can assess yourself that you are confident. You can speak English only if you are confident. So first of all, you just increase your confidence level. That is the first part you have to do. Now you are listening well. That's why you are able to understand, and that's why you are waiting for me to talk. Right? Now, just say yes loudly. That means you are able to understand. So first part is over. Listen again and again, not only my talks. Maybe you understand or not. Leave it. But listen. And try to speak it out. If you hear something, just try to give answer. That's the first level. Let's try. Don't go back. In my last class, you had learned 2-3 words, right? Like give, take, go, come. Right? So now just add 2-3 words with that. Please come here. I want to go there. I want to go there. Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. Are you ready to talk? Say loudly, yes. Right. You are listening well. You are listening well. If you listen well, if you speak, if you have enough confidence, then why can't you speak? If you listen well, if you know the words, then why can't you speak? Increase your confidence level, that's all. But for that you need words, vocabulary. Right? Daily 1 word or 2 words. Just learn it. Take it from dictionary or read the books. Reading is must. There's no easy way. No easy tricks to learn English. There you need your hard work. To learn English, you have to work hard. They are saying that no need for grammar. Do you believe that? In each and every sentence, grammar is there. Without that grammar, we can't speak English. So grammar is a must. You should learn it. You should understand it. But instead of learning it by heart, you have to speak continuously. Then only it will come automatically. Read each and every book you are getting. That read it. Read the books. Whether you understand it or not. Read newspaper. Whether you understand the words or not. Just go through it. And try to find out difficult words. Then note it. Then take your dictionary and find out the meaning. Then next is pronunciation. Listen, listen. Then only you will get it. Right? So, I'll be coming back to you next class. Right? This is enough. Now you just try to speak. Nobody is there to talk. Just write in the comment box. I'll be giving you personal training. English is a must for you to come up. If you are in search of a job in future, you need English. That time, you go and learn it. It will be very difficult. So why can't you try it from now onwards? We are getting a chance. So, ready? Just listen. Okay, then try to speak something. Try to speak something. Hey, what's the time? Give me a glass of water. Likewise, your practice is a must for this. Listening is also not enough. There also we need your practice. You are the one who has to practice it. Then only it will come up. Your confidence. Mistakes will come, don't worry. Mistakes will come, sure. But don't think about, oh, mistake. Leave it. Others may point out, oh, too much mistakes. Don't bother about it. You continue speaking. Okay? Don't listen to others. Okay? Go ahead. Don't stop speaking English. Continue with that. Then only you can speak. If you want to learn to speak, you have to speak, not me. Okay?